I decided to get that old gas tank out from behind the seat. I went with a 15-gallon tank underneath the bed. I secured it to the frame with some welded square nuts. I had to modify the rear cross seal in two different places. I used an angle grinder to C-notch the cross seal around the filler neck and around the base of the fuel pump. The welded square nuts were the right way to go. It was easy to secure the gas tank to the frame. I plumbed the system with a fuel line kit from Holly. Some modifications to the frame were necessary. I oblonged this hole and put a grommet in it for the fuel lines. This fuel pump requires a supply line and a return line. I secured the fuel lines to the frame with loop clamps. Here's a fuel filter from the kit. I mocked up the bedwood to check for fitment and to determine where to put the filler hole. As you can see here, there was some clearance issues. I notched the bedwood for the fuel lines. A little Hemsman urethane to seal the wood. Here I'm measuring the clearance for the filler neck. All that was left was to install the hose clamps and check for fitment. The billet aluminum pop-up gas cap came with 3 screws in the kit. I drilled 3 holes and then secured the cap with a hardware kit. here's the final product.